Hi everyone! For today's level up video, we're going to be talking about having strong hands. I'm Alexis and I've been dancing for 10 years.
And my name's Annalise and I've been dancing for 2 years now.
Well, dancing requires you to have many skills and strong hands are one of them. Having strong hands gives you control in every movement, ensuring precision and preventing moves from blurring together. Without strong hands, you risk appearing messy and tired on stage, which you want to avoid. So, flexing every muscle in your hands, like this, is key to achieving strong, controlled hand movements. For example, you don't want your hands to look like this on stage because it does not look pretty. So you want to make sure you flex every muscle in your hands so they look like this. And same goes for your peacocks. You want to make sure that you flex every muscle in your hand so they look really pretty. So when you pinch and open, it looks really pretty.
First tip is to use your hands often, like squeezing a stress ball, because it will help your hand muscles grow stronger and strengthen. The second tip is to move your wrists around because it will make your wrists more flexible and also help your hands be more stronger and flexed. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video was helpful for you and that you learned something new so you can level up as a Hmong dancer.